Now, one of the things I like to do after all the celebrations are over is put my feet up and read a good book. And especially if the book's about art, painting, more painting, anything to do with painting, it's a good read, isn't it? So if you're looking for something to read over the coming holidays, or maybe give as a gift, I've got a whole bundle ranging from things like An Artist Survival Guide, 52 Weeks of Creative Mastery, The Creative Awakening, How to Loosen Up Your Painting, and even Selling Your Art is the Right Thing for You. You can find that Sell Your Art or Not. There are other books as well. You can find them on Amazon, paperback or Kindle, or if you're looking for PDF, you can find that in my bookstore as well. I'll put links to those in the description. When you're tired of unwrapping your presents, read a book. It's good for you.